boy here, and welcome to another video. So in this video I bought the fidget spinner. So if you saw my last video, the RCT gameplay part 2, if you read the description, I said that I'm going to have a fidget spinner video on Thursday or Friday. So here it is, fidget spinner with LED. Let's unbox this. Throw that there. Throw that there. So as you can see, this is LED. The lights are turned off, but let's give it a spin without the lights. Nice, nice, nice. As you can see here, there's some plastics. If you pull it off, the light will turn on. If you pull the lights, the plastic, all of the plastic, the lights will turn on. And let's give this fidget spinner a spin. Nice! It's so cool, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's so cool. So yeah. Okay, I have an idea. Let's turn the red off, and yeah, only green and blue is only the lights that turned on. And let's give this fidget spinner a spin. Whoa, that's cool. That's cool. Oh, okay, it's spinning on the table. Let's give it a spin again on the table. Nice, nice. By the way, this it's broken. See that? It's broken, but it's not broken, not really. You can fix it just putting it in. Just like that. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay cool!